Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist and today we are taking a quick look at Cardano on the daily time frame. As always, thank you very much for joining me. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment and all that good stuff. Before we begin, give Billy, who's got a very strange kind of Cyclops one eye going on right now, a like for the video and then we'll get into the charts. So we can see Cardano over the past few weeks has been coiling up, and it's clearly coiling up under this 0.38 Fibonacci level here around 60 cents. Obviously it had this really nice run down from this low down here around 24 cents where we were just bottoming out, essentially trying to find a lower low, but there was just no actual desire to push the price any lower in this area. As you could see, we came down into this area before. We came down, made that 24 cent swing low area here. We came down, we tried to force lower, but we couldn't. We got the bounce again. And then really we were just grinding at support here. You can see we clearly got the break, the retest of the bear market resistance as well. Just going sideways and going sideways. You can see this year we had this resistance as well. And once that was broken and we got above that 100-day moving average there, you can see quite clearly. Basically we just ran all the way to the upside to the first Fibonacci level here at 41 cents. Smashed through it and went straight to the second one without much aplomb whatsoever. You can see Cardano is basically just kind of coiling up right now in this area here, and it remains to be seen whether or not we'll get continuation to the upside or we'll get ourselves having a rollover and a pullback to the downside. It's obviously difficult to know what's going to happen next here, but I do think overall I would say that Cardano is probably going to see itself have a continuation going forward, and really we are looking to come up and get through these Fibonacci levels now that we've got a nice Fibonacci pull from the high to the low. You can see these levels are starting to get respected and worked through, so we could see ourselves having a pullback, maybe back down to around 50 or 40 or 50 cents. I think could be a likely area for a back test like this, and then continuation. But really the way things are going right now, and Bitcoin's at 45.5k and looking like it's going to continue to the upside, we could see ourselves having some capital rotate into Cardano and some of these larger alts and basically get some more continuation to the upside. You can see that next big resistance is up at that next Fibonacci level, sitting at this previous supporters resistance here at around 82 cents. And I think considering what we're looking at here in terms of Cardano heading to the upside, it does seem quite likely we could see some more bullishness in the future. You can see we had this pump, consolidation, and we could easily see another pump as a result of basically just looking at how bullish the markets are right now. Things really looking good in my opinion. Obviously we have the very obvious potential of running out of steam in this local area after such a parabolic move like this. We could easily see ourselves having a pullback before more upside, which in my opinion is probably the more likely outcome. Also considering the fact that we are losing some momentum on the RSI, although we could just see ourselves basically resetting before continuation in this regard, and it may not be that we're actually going to see ourselves retracing, just more like we are just basically consolidating before the next pump to the upside. So it'll be interesting to see what happens next. I do think Cardano is going to do very well in the future, and overall it's looking very nice now for some more upside in my opinion. So that is it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and sign up to some of the amazing offers in the description. I promise you won't regret those, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.